This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune United 3. My brother, kunjani?
Hakikwazi.
Yini wayazi?
Yazi kuna labantu abaningi babasakwazi ukuthi latha sizelene. Thina sizabantu bamathandazo. Wakwazi sibonga Sekhukhune namhlanje. Size la kuri Sekhukhune sizoseshaya. Yazi baba bekile admitted esibhetlele mama cheka impilo yakhe bathi too much happiness ikampolala so sifuna izithimi ezincane zakufana leSekhukhune ukuthi ba reduce happiness la ukuthi umuntu wakho no ba healthy asuri bona basetlele besifuna bona just imagine khona manje henke thina sijele Sekhukhune ngebe sipelo sathina semile ke happiness Chiefs sinika happiness eningi mo
Injabulo ya.
I3-1 yana le bese ithandazela seri uNkulunkulu
Ucela ukudliwa ya.
Kaizer Motaung Junior ufuna ukusibola ka happiness usayina mathima asafu usayina ma player asafunanga hawu bana uzosibola ka bana
Happiness.
Sele siqala league ayisingi sidliwe
And nga concede ne goal.
ayisingi si concede belo si worried le thina hore hawu Chiefs ka mkhwesha yanga tembala hayi nake sabaloza stadium ekashaya le thina ma supporters waizo manje sabonga Sekhukhune bona bajabulile gore badile thina kanti ke methandazo athina ukuthi basihle thina asedlale local
Iplaniwe lento le.
no i3 points athina sizothola ku CAF lezi sesizonobanikeza phela ukuthi libona abantu uba hapha Sekhukhune sinali ma supporter ama 25 so sabonga ukuthi ebebajabulile khona manje thina sijabule every day inhliziyo thina hona beno enhliziyo hona beno kizile ke fakile drip has never gonna trick ayi utlore ke performula kahle hey mara pelo aka manje ka re kahle man sayifuna iluzunyana win sesofa mona ka happiness
Anejwayela ngwina nina.
no sejwayele ku wina asajwayela kutliwa
Oh no anjwayela ngwina.
kanti nginga khona khuluma manje ngifuna ukutshela ama supporter ongathi asithopa sathina sesikhulukhulu elefasini moya phansi yekela no khuluma ka mkho mithandazo thina ifikile le godimo sitshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu enza ukuthi Sekhukhune sisihle ukuthi zipilo zathina siye phansi kare mojabulo ophezulu ene mayipilo ijabula kakhulu ekano hema silele
ngamanye amazwi uthi iSekhukhune yenze kanjani edla so that neke ukuphapha.
Yakuphapha ekwazi kwena nake ekwazi nanto ke khuluma mfela ukuthi sibonga Sekhukhune ukuthi bayenze ukuthi sitliwe kare sitliwile mase ya khefe sizoya sekwatile baloso babulala laba baya lapha so bababulala lapha sababulala babasekhaya so Sekhukhune silinikile sikala jabula kakhulu silinikile awuna sithoba sesikajani Chiefs bana la kwazi lethina that's why sitshela coach la sithi wena faka laba ubatshele bulile poro basika kora ka reke ba kora pelo mina ezohema ngifuna utshela bathu ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu Sekhukhune siyabonga bona medical aid wa mina we exhausted because every day sizo win Durban lapha kiphumile ka stretcher mama faka scanner doctor wa mputsisa hore 3 points king ke re bona go para ere polong yakho so ga bona awu bana sizofaka lejabulo sizofaka lejabulo inhliziyo yathina ikahle manje ngizokhona noma ke fika endlini kihle ngikhono kusasa ke yamsebenzini ngijabulile sabonga Sekhukhune hona le babang kuthi sizowina sawina manhliziyo yaphezulu sizibasehle iyephansi
manje uthini ngalabalandeli laba abanganayo inhliziyo yokuluza and all that bafuna ukulwa no coach man
awa masapatara okakwazi bafuna uthwasa mawenza kanje senze bafuna bayothwasa bangena amadimoni ngifuna ukubatshela amalize ke makhosi yakela ntole yenzanga we've been winning sidlalile ma game amakai 4 3 6 9 12 one draw
13
one draw manje losing ane 1 le ntsa mo sento la le konopela dilo ka mo se hello re wena o kwa zo re wena ho kwatile o shaya ma TV kwakho o lata tala phansi thina sizo ya phambili sizo supporta team athina
number 1 siyabonga
sabonga kakhulu baba
message yakho ku coach Nabi abaningi bathi uNabi ka win and all that but the message yakho kuwena just ukuthi umkhuthaze yithini
Nabi ke funa o jela ka sekgowa mara ke sa bara ke zo ithoka baba mazo jela ka sekgowa Nabi thina ma supportera sa uthanda we love what you do and we appreciate what you do we know that each and every house has got that that one disability person yes but it does not mean all of us don't like what you do. We can foresee in the future that you are planning something for our team. So continue doing there's a reason why you didn't play, but other supporters don't know why you didn't play Thabiso. They don't know. They don't know. No, they don't know. But it's for us to explain to them that there's a reason why he had to play Frosler. Frosler before Thabiso came. He was our best right back. And we can even convert him to play left back. But it does not mean now that Thabiso is here, we don't have to play him. If we won this game, we wouldn't be talking what you're saying now. Exactly. We wouldn't be saying Nabi this, Nabi that, just because of they overpowered us. We came with a strategy, but it did not work. So I want to ask all of ama supporter away to bafetu yakala mo mosankanolo wenzang team e ga thina lenza mo sendo le so kolopalizo lapha yakala no kuza lapha e stadium ka sepelo se sencane maolo rona nkinga le sakwazi ukuthi amashukela nalo yaphezulu mara uska faka mo stadium asise la kala thandolelo one and support our team. Next game we are playing KEF away, then we come back here to play here Marumo Gallants. We need to come here and fill up the stadium so that we can encourage our players and our supporters. That is the only thing that we have to do as the supporters.
Number 1, Sabon, Tango. Congratulations for winning. For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.